So let me show you how to generate a QR code for any Wi-Fi connection on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So let's go into settings. Let's go back to the main settings page. So if you go to the main settings page and tap on connections, you can see we have Wi-Fi at the top here. So go there. And then let's go and tap on the settings icon next to the currently connected Wi-Fi network. So I'll tap on that. And then from here, you can see QR code at the bottom left. Tap on that. It's going to ask for your identity, and that is the QR code for that particular Wi-Fi network. So if anyone scans that QR code with their phone, it's going to connect them to this particular Wi-Fi. Now, if you want to, you can save this as an image. You can share, you can print it out and maybe stick it somewhere so that maybe if you want people to use your Wi-Fi network. All right. Thanks for watching and good luck.